Hello, this is Jenna from Jenna Decluttered, and today we are cleaning and organizing the fridge. Let me just give you a before. It's a mess, and it's gross. You see that in there? Yeah, you can kind of see it. It's pretty gross in there. First step is always take everything out, then wipe it down. But when you're doing like old stuff here, I do a shelf at a time. So right now I'm going to do each one of the different shelves on the door one at a time because you don't want your stuff to go bad. Cleaning the fridge, I'm using the Windex multi-surface with vinegar. I would just use anything in general that is water and vinegar type cleaners. Anything with vinegar as a cleaner is going to be safe around food. The whole door, this is all cleaned out and organized, and I just went through and got rid of everything that was bad yesterday because it was garbage day. So today it's just cleaning it out. I'm going to show you how gross it is inside the actual fridge. There's just spillage and hair. It's so gross. I can't believe how disgusting. is my clean fridge. Oh, so much better. Not nearly as nasty. And it smells so much better. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up if this video motivated you to clean out your fridge. Leave a comment below of the next thing you'd like to see me clean. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.